Vaccines are a crucial tool in preventing the spread of infectious diseases and have been instrumental in saving countless lives throughout history. The science behind vaccines is based on the concept of immunization, which harnesses the body's natural defense mechanisms to build immunity against specific pathogens. Here's a simplified explanation of the science behind vaccines. 1. Pathogen identification. Scientists identify the specific pathogen, virus, bacteria, or other microorganisms responsible for causing a particular disease. They study its characteristics, structure, and behavior to better understand how it affects the human body. 2. Antigen isolation. Within the pathogen, scientists identify certain molecules, called antigens, that provoke an immune response in the body. These antigens are typically unique to the pathogen and are recognized by the immune system as foreign invaders. 3. Vaccine development. To create a vaccine, scientists develop a formulation that contains either weakened or inactivated forms of the pathogen or specific components of the pathogen, such as proteins or genetic material. These formulations retain the ability to trigger an immune response but are not capable of causing the full-blown disease. 4. Priming the immune system. When a vaccine is administered, the antigens within it stimulate the immune system. The immune system recognizes these antigens as foreign and mounts an immune response, generating specialized immune cells and molecules to fight against the antigens. 5. Immune response. The immune system produces antibodies, which are proteins that recognize and bind to the specific antigens. Antibodies neutralize the pathogens by preventing their entry into cells, marking them for destruction, or activating other immune cells to eliminate them. 6. Memory cells. In addition to the immediate immune response, vaccines also promote the generation of memory cells. These cells remember the specific pathogen's antigens, allowing the immune system to respond more rapidly and effectively if the person is exposed to the actual pathogen in the future. 7. Long-term protection. By stimulating the immune system and generating memory cells, vaccines confer long-term protection against the targeted disease. If a vaccinated individual encounters the actual pathogen later on, their immune system can quickly recognize and mount a strong defense, preventing or reducing the severity of the infection. It's important to note that vaccines go through rigorous testing and evaluation processes to ensure their safety and efficacy. Regulatory bodies, such as the Food and Drug Administration (FDA) in the United States, review clinical trial data and other evidence before approving vaccines for public use. Vaccines have been instrumental in controlling and eradicating numerous diseases, such as polio, smallpox, measles, and many others. They have significantly contributed to public health by preventing the spread of illness,